Today we are going to do this look inspired by my shower curtain behind me back there. Yeah, that's a shower curtain. So I'm using the Tarteist Pro Remix palette by Tarte. So first I did use the Celestial Thunder palette. I just used it for this teal shade, and I'm going to put that right into my crease. Do it on both sides. That one was pretty simple, that's why I sped through it. So next I'm going to go into the Tarteist Pro Remix palette and use the color Artist and blend just a little bit lower than that shade that we took from the Dominique Cosmetics, and just blend those two colors together until they're perfect. We're just going to repeat the process on the other side. And then you see we're taking that teal color on that teal brush and going back and forth with these two colors to make sure that they're fully blended. So, side note, we are in quarantine. That's why you can hear my kids in the background, so excuse them. They cannot stop being loud. So next I'm going to take this color ink from the palette. It's a black, and blend that into the blues to make it deep for the cut crease to look really poppin'. Whenever I'm blending with a black, I try to make sure that I just take a little bit at a time and blend, like build on the color so that it's not too much all at once, because if you use too much black, then it's like you can't go back. Now right here I'm just going to alternate between the three shades that I just used. The teal, the blue Artist from the palette, and the color ink. And you're just gonna just keep blending, just keep blending. Okay, so now we are almost fully blended. So I took the color Create from the Cut Crease Canvas by Makeup Revolution to cut my crease. I went ahead and cut that part out because it does take me like a hot minute to do that. So I'm going to take the color Outside the Lines from the palette and pack that on my lid. Keep packing all the way up until it is like super like goldish yellow. Okay, so for my lid's sister color, it's going to be this color Explosion. This green is really like, y'all, I really love this color green. It is so nice. I'm going to pack that right in between the yellow and the blue in the corner and just keep packing that on to make it blend. I'm going to go back into those blues and blend out that outer corner. Blended the green with the blue in the corner. Make it look super pretty. So I'm going to repeat all of the steps on the opposite side to make my eyes be sister twins so they can match. So I went ahead and cut the part of the video out where I do the rest of my face. So right after you finish your eyes, always double check, pack on some more color, make sure that it's nice and vibrant. I did add lashes and eyeliner. Underneath my lower lash line, I just went ahead and pulled that blue color all the way through, like to my inner corner. That is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, go ahead, click that subscribe button, like this video, and you'll see my face in the next one.